This will be a pretty quick little video. We got a 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.7 L Hemi in it. I just need to swap out the tensioner for the belt today. So I'll show you real quick how we identified this. So let me go start it up. All right, so you have a slight belt squeal. Look down there, and you can see the tensioner bouncing up and down. Now it's not supposed to do that. So we're gonna replace that entire unit. I'll put a link in the description on Amazon if you need one. They also have them at your local parts stores. In this case, yeah, you can see it. Let's go back over here. So yeah, in this case, you can see it. It was just bouncing up and down, putting a little bit of slack in the belt. The belt itself feels fine, but it's also a really good time to check your belt. And it looks like somebody replaced this recently. They probably didn't realize the tensioner was worn out. But yeah, it's a good time to check your belt as well, and you can replace that. So step number one of this is going to be removing your belt. So I got a ratchet over here. We'll get doing that here in just a second. All right, so step number one is going to be to get the belt off. The tensioner has a little square cut out for a 3/8 drive ratchet or breaker bar. So you're going to want one with a decently long handle if you can. Ow, fan. Ah, this is hard to do while holding a camera. Let's see. All right, sweet. All right, so you want one with a decently long handle to make life easier on you. So once you have it into the drive on the tensioner, you just turn it to the tightened position and then pop your belt off of your alternator up here. Wham bam, she is free. Looks like the bolt holding it in is one bolt, and it looks like about a 15mm. So let me go grab that, and we'll jump in there and get her out. Okie dokie. So I got a little power ratchet here, and I spun the fan to where the fan won't. All right, cool. And then you see it's got these two little pins that it's going to help you like locate it. So you'll put it in with the location pins, and then shoot the 15mm back in. So let me go grab the new one, we'll slap it on. All right, here we are, new tensioner. We just plopped it right into the locating pins and shot the bolt in the center, so she's nice and tight. Checked it with the breaker bar. So this time, the way that I want to do this is I'm gonna hold the belt up here like this, in its position to where I'm gonna hook it on the alternator whenever I crank on the tensioner. So as I loosen the tensioner, I'll pull it up and hook it on the alternator. Here we go, right there. All right. So, and yeah, if you heard me, bye. All right, so there we are. So I just hooked it up over the alternator, and then make sure you get this pulley down here located decently. Let's go fire it up, see if our little minute squeak is fixed. What do you know? No more squeaky squeaky. See how that one just stays nice and solid. Come on, easy as that. Super simple fix. Pretty much anybody can do this in your driveway. If the video helped you, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos in the future, subscribe, and we'll link in the description through Amazon if you want to order the part.